7.9 FM.
Fantastic.
And now, Michelle, a tier for bossa, you be room a war at Adako Jachie. Kotoko air prepare na omo preseason no omo chassis.
Okay.
Meno kasa Stanley Menzo at the flight wa oba Ghana.
Fantastic.
And now number and of Japan na me pe final confirmation from Eric Tinkler. Na akaskasam kitwa bi nkomo kitwa bi. Kitwa bi fia bi etim, but I know say Kotoko chairman, executive chairman. Ever solve. Said 3 days ago, me catch us say meeting because on phone. And I'm catch us say executive chairman of Asante Kotoko.
Yes.
Na ye Kotoko director of football. And an incoming coach, you know. Omo ever sort but and when me ra Eric Tinkler a camp no. Na omo train call bia e confirm say no. The arrangement in terms of the flight ticket or the bunny arrangement na done.
Wow.
To a man bag is to say na Eric Tinkler call akofo the SA South African Airways no deba.
Wow.
Ni ticket no be ban number no ya wo.
The original Falama.
Ewa ha enti owura no aye crowd up sepanyi oba abepi. Na me catch you say Stanley Menzo buy no okwa Adako Jachie. And o catch Asante Kotoko executive chairman James Osei Brown Joe Shop say onya nyoma bi ewo Adako Jachie o emfama no. Or check the 2 training pitches. Or check the container project now.
Okay.
And he requested say ono onya office ewo Adako Jachie.
Nice one.
Head coach na ehia office ewo Adako Jachie. Head of the youth team coaching Hamza Obin ehia office ewo Adako Jachie.
Nice one.
Medical team ni ehia office ewo Adako Jachie.
Fantastic.
And upper gym center no so ewo Adako Jachie. He requested all of this.
Wow.
Enti ebra enra Asante Kotoko start a medical sub Japan. Medical screening, medical checkup, normal. Ya na normally you breaki league na. Say medical team ni intact omo nim player be a shaper or the call here.
Yes.
When you come, they will take you through the screening. Patrick see do another way. Ade ba kwa Japan ya na hi omo pa no wakoma no ho adwuma ECG ne niam mpacho medical medicine from ka ECG na ya na nye electricity company azem no muka akoma no ho asem mo be check nioma enti empayinfo ahye sa adwuma na se busapanyi.
Okay.
Enti on the side of the playing body Aziz Aruna Dari ni na omako ya de obia fa through the medical screening. Yes, we a branch the thing the Fusaini Zakaria, yes, Zakaria also in
Mbaso Brakuma 87.9 FM.
Imano Kote. This is Imano Kote, the right back. I'm Becca Chose Kote, Confoso or Tosca FC. On call Tosca because of Conton. And on the contrast, got Enchemu, any other place. And Omoyan in batches, Mammy Trim.
Okay.
Wait, and Nakrania story ye. Omoyan in batches. But I was a penny, Makacho Kotoko residence on. Then he put a page. I say, young Pam Ranger in free. Men quite champion because I'm no more yagin. Stanley Menzo, them may yagin, say, they must keep the boys there. And Menoka say, they've been called to camp and to call camp work, started training. But I'm not telling you camp. Tilma, near Frebimo, now at the car before at Mako. Baby, a medical screening, no, near quay at your mom. Sir, in Tim Ranch and oh, ya more chance Monday training at Beshassi. Stanley so ebedra on him ranch and meeting. Nina no we nyina na mogu mogu no ya de proper breja.
The original fella man.
Where there as fresh as the last 15-20 minutes.
Pepe Suarez.
O join here page no so akoma 87.9 FM on Facebook ah. Ubenya emfonyini ne eye pa. Bujapanyi.
Yes sir.
Asante Kotoko for ahedwuma se Adako Jachie. Adwuma ekoso Adako Jachie.
Okay.
Uram the old training picture as at the timer me drew Adako Jachie no. Na afidie esiso a ye doso.
Okay.
As at the timer me free Adako Jachie afidie na edoni ni.
Wow.
This side has been weeded or clear here pa and Ura no etwa no in a uniform manner. A branch and all does or doing a uniform manner. Who say Mammy Phobia so what the other side were almost so a picky wheat unwanted wheat Eddie a free and Ura win a dog and a man so namachira unwanted wheat in an omututu Eddie Ephraim and Kakaka. So we had the old training pitch. I say Kotoko. I have 2 pitches. Adako Jachie.
Okay.
This is the old training pitch. And we a Juma Japan. I cost a old training pitch. Kabiru Jahamame. Makano. Can't film one I buy na. Was a Juma be cost my bitch him.
Okay.
Can't buy Japan. You won't carry away. A shop. Ama in here. Just a botchairman company, no, a car, any see one.
Okay.
Inti, when a number be upe be anomze 4,000 in 4,000 out. Iti botchairman, ne canny binny. And now, what far a so at the season, a winning and get 20 be a quack where you may be specific. I will Adako Jachie. So Asante Adako Jachie. But this is not our focus. So, failed, no, first training pitch, no, Omukuso Modoso. Ya groundsman yes wejuma.
Okay.
Ufri anu akwase hono.
Yes.
The new training page. New training page ndi abzapanyi. No kwasam sensan kro no mudua na efe yie pa.
Okay.
We say we no see fu na level no. Now they compare new training page na difference e wo mu kakra.
Nice one.
But new training page no issues kakra e wo ho. Ano no ba bia ka so mo de white sand no. Yeah, man, the catch up the people who nim say about radio out to me challenge. But me say me de annual fufu be dua grass as ye cobra na otwumi nim cobra na otwumi na hofu.
Fantastic.
E hold up the penny as a white no atotum kakra, but in general we show we quality we. This is the second training page or the new training page. Or they compare the old one now. Who the difference in the type of grass na paying for edua no. Enti and also omo yeso adwuma kakra to get it ready. Na me sure za ha no na nse su bran na neto no na ze isane bada side o eno na ama eho no aye ye white na sana omukuso eye eho adwuma wo bze panyi enye asem ketwa 2 pitches no omo ye ho adwuma no Stanley Menzo, the director of football, requested for specific things ewo container project under the board chairmanship of Dr. Chei and the management direction of Nana Yamposa, Zana Yamposa, the CEO, and Dr. Chi, a board chairman. And Omoya containers, no. Omuguswa, one a year, a Jumapa. But opinion on a training page, new one there, no quasam say, ever power.
Yeah, or anyone will track a crack.
A handy ever power. As a China Chiano, maybe. In fact, as the camera was controlled by DJ China. Or Chiano market will be Ijna baby and Yasan Ketwaki. Of the Penu room, our second page now. I know in ye, one more so a so a Juma a while. On the door. Mammy Fan to just say, Kotoko, or Mamo, the length of Mucha grass in Edruno.
Wow.
Watch your own length or pet your bob measure. Okay, sir, Basuna forgot you come let go marry there. Tomba Majan said, the other passive born or penny you know, or Madonna Samana, and no elho. I was a president jump. Now to the main project. Join us, Akoma 87.9 FM. Me patcho Uram Awo, Yem Page and so on. Kabiru Kape old video, Udama Anna, we my video now. But Kabenya old picture of Adako Jachie now. Old picture of Adako Jachie, my way national, yeah, one. Old picture, I said people understand very well. A brave Japan, Omoya content and what you man every when I have video on for the video room to so. Omoya content and what you have Japan Jamakaya. Omo born near BSC one FFFF.
Yeah.
Send me and the good for me. Hey, my catchers are dear minimum competence. They are in council baby.
And me and see container
near bossy container no so no.
And a good for more.
And no ya whining na de a good a form wa Kabiru this a picture baba. Kabiru not inside me pe enuane good for more na video no bomo. Oh me pe no e hona kakra na. There be hagina I don't need you. I will come there. It's a Japan so rema. Enuane good for more no. Ya kwa check here no in fact enuano apro. enuana pro ye check hwe enuana apro pa abusapanyi enti womo ayi nuane nyina ede afiri esoro no ena omode enade aluminium bi ena say womo ede eye adwuma nti Kabiru Medasepa we when the old project was launched by the then management led by Nana Amponsano.
Yeah.
It was some of the roof green be any goose room. And a TV so coming.
Yeah.
And a Niana no mobile body assist some of the side green roof at the goose. No.
Yes, sir.
Side green roof we know. You drag from baby because that be
okay.
And Niana so no. The omode ball base no at the form body we no bebre na busapanyi na apropro eti a new contractor is on site.
Wow.
Ni pan bebre Kabiru Medase we unua ni ye pa so busapanyi we nua na no mo de abo apagya de ne sa
Nua we na negu form no.
yes nua na sisi egu form no apropro enso togu so na we boso you know edua entimi enye conductor of both water and heat na air panity eno enam panyimfo adwiri ni nyina ede egu form abusa panyi
wow
enuane ni ede egu form ayi omo ye free ho
okay
and omo replace it with dadie dentia me man Kabiru cheka no to so jo shop no begu ho no because the Kotoko executive chairman contractor na the construction company jo shop ni no nipa no bebre na omo ko Adako Jachie no by return with the notion say a Joshop construction and a adwuma no
okay
Pepe Suarez on filler time on Akoma 87 per FM on Pepe Suarez media metma ka ade ato anim say enya Joshop construction limited and a adwuma ewo Adako Jachie Kotoko container project enya Joshop constructions
woo
Kotoko at the contract ama a company eti company no na eye adwuma no
okay
so Kotoko asem de enche na ebi abo chairman na oba na the contract man company no no age ye no fa ye no ye sei kroimu kasa na ya na eba ye nim se de besi akọ but ye wura form na yakoba na ya ma details no
nice one
adwuma na ekoso no enya Joshop construction company na ye
okay
construction company di at the Wisdom Grace Construction obi abusa ho se Pepe Suarez na ka kire o
fantastic
Wisdom Grace Construction
the original fella man
ana Adako Jachie project em zapanyi omo ho a wonom eye sa adwuma no ewo sa project no
sisuma mbio Pepe
me say ukoko duro se sie ya obo se ka kakra ka na si ono Joshop ne ka ne bia
okay
na ne ka na si ono pe no adwo so so construction site na ko se bia Kofi Job cars zizi wa sa che so na ye adwuma but ye bowram epia omo ye adwuma ne mpanyifo di nkomo company na oil construction din at the Wisdom Grace Construction
nice one
Wisdom Grace Construction wamo ana bzapanyi omo ye adwuma now me pesa obia abehade e wa ha obia mra na ye nya adwuma wi wa ha na yemfa munsi abza pesa be jambo
Pepe Suarez Brakoma 87.9 FM on Facebook na be hwebi
omo yi nnua no efiri ho no wa na de Kabiru gina ha mpe gina ya mame ugina ya mpe Kabiru eti sese ba bia dua wo bia no sa da de ya Kabiru aposo ai wa yi ana bza panyi omo ede AC eso a project akosoro no
okay
in fact mame fanto anim sa containers ne so ni nyina bza panyi omo de iron rods aguso me bai no omo flows tienie
wow
te said ye usi abrosan ya flows no sesi udura Adako Jachie wa ban ho bia uye chinchefo akwa Adako Jachie osisi uduru ha one ade concrete flow all the containers no so concrete and iron rods aguso a omo flow so omo wi ama me mfa nto anim sa containers no soro na nnua na guso no
okay
omo beto tiles ewo esoro na ubetima atena na tiles
wow
omo wi no ma boso nti nade na ye ba boso ave Kabiru ma video ni nguro na eduru ba bia mo asomra am kase gina na wagina eti omakoto enchanse na mo be bob dan so nya bza panyi ya togu odada nti enye project a afei na board chairman no ekɔ pesca free baby anɔpɛ the board chairman of Asante Kotoko or mamika the executive chairman ɔne another board member ebowuram ɛwɔ Adako Jachie ha ɛna no pay wɔnom ɛkɔ hɔ eti abusapanyi wɔn fama kabiru gyina ɛnkyɛnse no ɛne dadeɛ ne gu fama no
Okay.
and the number of people on site ɛyɛ adwuma abusapanyi wɔn dɔɔso papa
Wow.
it tells you the fact that ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ adwuma no ntɛm eti workers ɛwɔ hɔ bebrebe in fact mikoduru hɔ no na stuffing chairs akɛseɛ bi wɔ hɔ a na ɔmo pake ɛde afiri hɔ in fact mimi hu ni kwan na mka sɛ ɔmo de begu hɔ but when I asked na sɛ na ɛwɔ hɔ dada but adwuma no ɔmo yɛ ni nti ɔmo yi for safe keeping news ɔmo abiebie dan no mu abiebie containers no mu a ɔmo yi for safe keeping ɔmo yi a they will bring it back
Nice one.
nti ɛyɛ adwuma a ɛkɔ so then inside the containers kabiru yɛnwura containers no mu
The original fella man.
yɛ adwuma no yɛka kyerɛ sɛ yɛbɛyɛ
Suarez.
ɛno a yɛhyɛ bɔ ɛka kyerɛ yɛn ahwɛfoɔ no sɛ yɛbɛwura Adako Jachie
Nice one.
ne akɔfa details of deɛ ɛkɔ so no ɛno ne yɛde ma wo yi
Nice one.
abusua wei ɛyɛ inside the containers
Okay.
ɛti hɔ nso yɛkɔɔ ne yɛnya painters a wɔmo ɛyɛ adwuma ɔmo deɛ ɔmo ɛdeɛ no sɛ ɔmo yɛ painting ti baabi a sɛ ɔmo de fila ɛfɛfa na mmeranteɛ no ɛde fila ti wo sɛ offices no biara wɔ ne washroom ɛhyɛ inside apart from general washrooms na ɔmo yɛɛ no ɔmo wɔ washrooms ɛhyɛ inside no doors no deɛ ɛyɛ saa Chinese doors papa yi bi ɛna egum a kyɛ sɛ correct paa ɛno ɛwɔ hɔ but the painting work a ɔmo ba bɛyɛ no ɛna mmeranteɛ no ahyɛ aseɛ abusapanyi ɔmo ɛyɛ what do you call it ɔmo de ɛyi wei ne fa hɔ a fellas no yɛ a ɛno nso ɛyɛ adwuma a wowura inside a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ nti washrooms no baako ni wowura office biara na ne washroom ɛhyɛ inside wowura office biara ne washroom no ɛhyɛ inside a wɔnom ɛgu so ɛyɛ ho adwuma dententen ɛwɔ hɔ a ɛno ɛyɛ Asante Kotoko container project no ɛna ɔmo enhance no.
Fantastic.
The contract has been awarded by the Kotoko management or the board. One of the ama your friend saying, Omudi ama, what do you call it? Company at the Wisdom Grace Construction. Wisdom Grace Construction. Nana, ono workers ma encham. Omuna buzopenyo more site omo ya adwuma yi. And adwuma wonom ɛyɛ no ɛyɛ adwuma mu bewie ama Kotoko betuma yɛ meetings no hɔ. In fact, sɛdeɛ Kotoko Ghana in general yɛyɛ adeɛ unse ɔmo yɛ air conditioners installation. Kotoko sponsors Hisense. Ɛde air conditioners ne adeɛ baɛ wohwɛ bi state wɔ mu a wo se bɛfem kakra. But in general, work is progressing. Ɛwɔ Adako Jachie hɔ. The expectation is say ɛnɛ Stanley ɛba bɛduru yɛhwɛ ne mu a sɛ webe na ɔtwe awie Eric Tinkler ɛba bɛduru players ne gu so ɛyɛ medicals ne in batches yɛfrɛ mu anom akɔɛ mu deɛ in fact almost all contracted players of Kotoko ɛbɛyɛ medicals ne bi including ɔmo kɔ ɔmo contract ebi a Kotoko bɛgye ɔmo kwan no because Kotoko ɛbɛ prepare dossier of player ɔpɛ so gya ne kwan ɛde ne medical report account no nti adwuma egu so gidigidi abusapanyi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ wohwɛ soro a workers ne gyegyina hɔ no mu egu concrete no containers ne soro no ɔmo gu concrete ɔmo wie a ɔmo wa bɛ totals ɛwɔ so then yɛbɛtumi de ato dwa sɛ entire project abusapanyi it is going to be fenced. The Kotoko executive chairman James Osei Brown ɔno issue unsa Chamansolo me kɔɛ na Chamansolo afiri hɔ Chamansolo ahyɛ a global supporters chama to war no and ɔma to war no from the side na lead to baabi a Polyphone hostels no one hotel bi wɔ no ɔma to hɔ na kwesi aka ni mu deɛ no ɛne nkyɛn mu deɛ no ɔma tu foundation ni nyinaa deɛ ma tene sɛ board chairman no edi mu titima sɛ ɔmo nto wɔ no nwie ntɛm na ɔmo mfɛnse because one of the things coach Menzo Akachom say he wants the facility to be fenced. So that sometimes if they want to do things, they don't want anybody to enter. They can control. Yeah, cause idea. I want to cry and go for it is a 1-2 offense, 1-2 war now. And go for Chomon to me. Oh, yeah, training be so be Chomo. We I am Japan. deɛ de firi Adako Jachie ɛde bɔ sesiɛ
Fantastic.
ɛna yɛde wei
Can you
ɛde ɛbrɛ wa ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa